Sean Vigue, SeanVigueFitness.com. Good day, my friends. Yoga abs for beginners today. All body weight, no weights, no machines, no equipment of any kind, which means I got to take off my sunglasses and put on the cap. You'll notice that my arms are covered today from this nice shirt. It's a little chilly today. There's also some things on my feet. All right, working from our center outward, breathing in the nose and out the nose. Please check in below right now. I love that. Love that. Subscribe, like, comment, share. All right, let's bring it on to our backs. Breathing in the nose and out the nose. We have 10 minutes to make history. Let's bring the knees in first. Bring the head down. You can always place your head on a pillow. And let's rock side to side. Breathe into your abdominals. Send the breath into your deep abs. What that means is when you inhale, you're going to inflate the front, sides, and even your lower back. That's beautiful, beautiful, effective breathing. The only kind for maximum physical and mental performance. Okay, side to side, wiggle the fingers, wiggle the toes. Every time you exhale, do yourself a favor and pull the belly button in towards the spine to give you an extra little lift and to tone the abdominals. All right, windshield wipers. Take the tips of the toes down, arms out, and take the legs back and forth. Inhale center, exhale to the side. Feel the stretch all the way down your center and even into the obliques on your sides. Let's do 6 more. 1, 2, good. 3, how does that feel? Feel good? 4, you still there? And 5, and 6. Okay, bring the right knee in, left leg out, head up or down. Little Pilates move here, don't tell anybody. Single leg stretch. Pull the knee in, feel that stretch. Inhale, switch. Exhale, pull. Here's 1. Let's do 10. 2, 3. Inhale, exhale. 4, 5, 6. Give the abs a little squeeze right here. 7, 8. I'm not contagious, don't worry. Just had a nasty cold last week. And pull those knees in. Now, lace the fingers on the back. 10 times we're going to pull the leg in. I call this a modified single straight leg stretch. Let's say this is 1, 2. Stabilize the center. 3, 4, oh, I'm showing some leg. 5, did not want to do that. 6, now I have to change the settings on this workout. 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. Head down, arms out, or bend at the elbows. It took a while to say that. Tabletop position. We're going to take the legs halfway back and forth 10 times. So adding a little bit more oomph to it. Progressive destabilization. I don't care if this has a beginner in the title. I want to progressively destabilize our bodies, so we're always improving. Set the bar higher. Set it higher, that every time you hit the mat, you're going to get stronger, more precision, more flow, more balance. I may have lost count. 1 more time, each side. Okay, knees into the chest again. Pull them in, feel that stretch. Do you feel a little looser already? A little rocking side to side. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Keep that lower back in its prime so the blood is circulating. All right, let's roll it on up. The bird dog, always doing some kind of bird dog here. Sick. Shoulders back and down. We're breathing in the nose, out the nose. Fix your pants. Hands and knees, pose, hands and knees position. Let's start with just the legs. You're going to inhale, extend your right leg back. Balance. Exhale down. Inhale, other side. Let's just keep on going. Keep a nice long neck. Keep the back of the neck smooth and lengthened. The crown of the head is reaching forward, reaching into the woods. Try to put the knee in the exact same spot each and every time. If you like, add the opposite arm, the full bird dog right here. Balance, working the center, working the balance. Keep it going. Very precise movements always. All right, check the yard. Beautiful. Let's do 10 more. 10 more. 1, 2. If this bothers your wrist, do it with the forearms down. 3, 4, 5 more. 7, 8. Ooh, feel that. 9. Little sweat. And 10. Magnificent. Take the knees a little wider. Child's pose. Stretch out the abs. Stretch out the back. And let's do a little twist in here, side to side. Does that feel good? How is your back responding to this one? Classy. 4 more times. 1, 2. That deep breathing, though, so good for the lungs, but it can trigger a little cough reflex if you're getting over something. All right, we come on down. Baby cobra, very cute, palms flat. Shoulders back. Feel that stretch in the abdominals. If you want a little more, slip the hands underneath the shoulders. We have cobra. Roll the shoulders back. Let me, little dolphin flop there. And lift up. 3 breaths. Elbows in, working the low back, stretching the abdominals. Okay, bring it down. Press it back. Again, child's pose. Little deeper stretch. Again, flopping side to side. Little twist. Gaining a lot of mobility. Mobility in our back, in our core, our abdominals. 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And oh, heck, let's do that once more. You have baby cobra with the forearms down, or cobra. Take the hands off the mat if you like. Always progressive destabilization. Always set yourself up for the next level when you're ready. You can lift the feet off the mat too. 2 more breaths. All right, let's finish. Seated position. I wrote down a lot, but we want to get about 10 minutes for this. Give you a good solid 10 minutes. Modified half boat. Feet flat. Knees are bent. Arms forward. Shoulders back. Abs tight. If you want full half boat, feet come off the mat. 5 breaths. Keep the emphasis in the abdominals. Sink the shoulders down so we're not pressing into the back. This is a routine you can do anywhere at any time. Give yourself a boost mentally, physically, even spiritually. One more breath. In the nose and out the nose. You got it, my friend. You got it. You got it. All right, bring it down. Fantastic work. Did you like it? Check in below. Hit that like button. Smash that subscribe button. And share it with your closest and dearest friends and family members. It's me, Coach Vigue, Sean Vigue. Pleasure to train with you. Keep me posted. All right. I'm going to stand up. Then I'm going to walk over here. I'm going to crouch and stare at that stick. Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, And check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.